Hi, this is Mrs. Knopf, and today we're going to continue in our method book with line 49, shoe fly. So let's go at the beginning and see what we have and look for some patterns. We start out with our treble clef as always, and then we have our key signature. We have two flats. The B flat is on the third line, tells us all B's are flat, and the E flat is on the fourth space. It tells us all E's are flat. And the two flats in our key signature tell us we're in the key of B flat. This time signature is 2/4 time. So now we have two beats in each measure. There's your top number. But the bottom number is still the value of the whole note, even though we don't have one. So let's break that down. We have half of a whole, which is a half. Half of 4 is 2. So the half notes get 2 beats. Then half of a half is a quarter, and half of 2 is 1. So our quarter notes and the quarter rest get 1 beat each. Now, there are several instances where we have quarter notes tied across the bar line. So we're going to hold those notes out for the value of each note. So if I have a quarter note tied to another quarter note, we're going to hold that note for 2 beats. And we don't re-articulate the second note in the tie. We just hold through it. So that happens here. That happens again here on an A, and again at the beginning of the second line. So let's go through and look at our patterns. We start out with a D, thumb, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Go down to the B flat and hold it for 2 counts because they're tied. Then up to a C, switch everything out for the D, add the pinky for E flat, half note C. Now if you look at the second line, the first 4 measures are exactly the same. Now starting at measure 5, we have the same pattern, but we take it down 1 pitch. So we start on a C, add fingers for the A, thumb 1, 2, and pinky over here. Hold that A for 2 counts, go up to a B flat, C, D, and then a half note B flat. Finally, our last 4 measures, we start on an F, play 3 of those on a quarter note, and then walk our way down the scale. E flat, D, C, B flat. So I'm going to start my metronome going at 96 beats per minute. I hope you can keep up and play along. Start each note with a T sound for a clean start to each note. Here we go. I have to change that to 2 beats instead of 4. Here we go. 1, 2, ready. And that is it for line 49, shoe fly. I hope this has been helpful, and we'll see you next time.